Hi guys, today I'm going to review a product which is called MagicFlix AI 2.0. In this video, I'm going to show you what exactly is MagicFlix AI, steps to make it work, channel case study, MagicFlix AI demo, unique features, launch day bonuses, and exclusive offers for all of you, along with final verdict. What if you could build a faceless YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram channel without constantly writing scripts, editing videos, researching keywords, or scheduling posts? MagicFlix AI 2.0 aims to automate that entire process, from creating branded AI videos to optimizing scheduling and publishing them. But does it actually work? Does it deliver, or it is just another overhyped AI tool? So first thing first, let me tell you what exactly is this product. It's an all-in-one AI platform which is designed to create and automate faceless content channels. It can generate scripts, AI voices and visuals, customize videos, optimize titles and description, create thumbnails, discover topics, and automatically schedule and publish content across platforms. It also includes features for affiliate marketing and other monetization strategies. So let's look into it. The steps to follow are pretty simple. We'll just go through it one by one. Step number one, create your AI brain and choose a channel theme. Step number two, give your channel a unique voice and visual identity. Step number three, customize and auto schedule. Step number four, auto optimize and rank your videos and channels. And there's a bonus step, you can monetize your channels right out of the gate. Now let's look at some channels. First one would be Rosen. Their first video hits 99 million views, which is AI immersive realism. Then the niche for this channel, Mr. Nightmare, is stories. They've got 7.1 million subscribers. Affiliate marketing niche, Magnets Media, 1.85 million subscribers. Quizzes and trivia facts, Quiz Blitz, 2.24 million subscribers. Education niche, kids niche. Then we've got Animal Go Cam with 228,000 subscribers. Matt reconstructs history. So all these channels, they've been made using AI. So if you see on the screen, these videos have been made using MagicFlix AI. If you check trivia, Unreal ASMR you pick, then you've got story videos, you've got recreate history. You can check this on the sales page by yourself. Then we've got educational affiliate marketing clips, local business kid stories, soft Ghibli. Everything is made by AI. And if you check the demo, the interface is very simple. It's easy to understand and it's friendly. Now, let's check some unique features. The first one would be leverage full customization, full automation, or new AI agent mode. Second one would be custom brand voice training. Generic AI content is becoming visible. Then you've got ultra viral video experiences and interactive channel themes. This is how your videos would look like. This is one of the trending niches on YouTube. Then tap into the internet most addictive story themes. These are some horror stories videos, kid story videos, then fantasy, mystery, sci-fi, Bible stories, conspiracies. Build non-fiction affiliate and promotional channels that monetize faster. Evergreen educational, affiliate reviews, vintage, nostalgia, jokes, biographies, history, motivational, affiliate educational, small business. Turn any idea into an entire channel and instantly transform videos with premium AI art styles. General, comic book, Disney, children anime, realism. Tons and tons of options you've got here with this AI. Human-like voices that keep people listening. Easily edit videos with drag and drop controls. Create any type of video for any platform. Finally, AI scripts that don't sound like AI. Automatically add perfectly synced subtitles. Schedule once or let AI publish around the clock. Then character consistency throughout long videos and channels. Instantly discover your next viral video. Discover viral trends with a single keyword. Find the keywords everyone else misses. Then turn average titles and descriptions into click magnets. AI finds the hashtags driving the most attention. Instantly create scroll stopping thumbnails. You can see affiliate monetization directly into your channels. Land sponsors and turn your channel into a revenue asset. Run an AI video agency with lead videos, agency pages, and more. Again, there's more to this. All the best AI models, background music library, real results, cloud storage, easy to use, tutorials and training, organized by client, ultra fast rendering time, custom images and videos. Now let's check some launch bonuses. The first one would be MagicFlix AI 2.0, how a complete beginner built a $12,000 per month faceless channel. Second one would be 100 perfect AI channels. Then third one would be AI Faceless Blogger Pro. Fourth is Landing Genius AI Lead Page Builder. And fifth is YT Channel Automator. And the sixth one is $3,000 per month agency client channel case study. So if you purchase this AI tool, you also get all these bonuses, which is included in MagicFlix AI. Now, there's more I'm going to talk about here. So this one is the exclusive offer I actually wanted to share with you. The first one would be MagicFlix AI 2.0 starter, which is around $37. But we also have MagicFlix 2.0 Premium with a lot of features here. If you can see, you can just pause the video and you can just check what features are mentioned on the screen. And the value for this premium AI tool is again $37 only. The ideal value is $997, but if you purchase this within the launch period, you get this AI product at $37. So now, as per my understanding, MagicFlix 2.0 looks like a strong option for beginners and marketers who want to build faceless content channels without juggling multiple AI tools. The combination of AI creation, branding, voice training, trend research, SEO optimization, scheduling, and built-in optimization makes it more than just a video generator. If you want to test MagicFlix AI 2.0 for yourself, I put the link below this video. in the description. Click the link, check out the current offer and bonuses, and see if it fits your content strategy. And make sure to hit the like button, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.